Hey, you got your image stabilizations going. Is that making things pretty level as you're walking along? I honked my horn at Jim's water service and he honked back. Watch out for the Cholla Forest, folks, coming up on the left. A Cholla extractor. Ah, there you go. There's your Cholla extractor. All right, we're coming around the bend towards the Lost Mine. I'm gonna throttle down a little bit. We'll take our time coming around this corner. Great place to stop the train up here next to the water tower. Do a little talking, tell people about the history of the town. Hire those cousin Jacks to come do all the hard work. Okay, here we go. Let that brake off easy. And throttle up. That's where you need your selfie stick. You do a lot of filming of yourself there. Good engineers. Always paying attention as to what's on the back of his train. Town's coming up. There's the town. These are the fellows that work in the town right there. Hey, now give me a wave. Give me a wave, fellas. All right, that's pretty much zoomed all the way in right there. That should give you a pretty good shot. A little sunny this morning. I'll get some other shots at the end of the work day. See if I can get that evening light on the town there. Got a major intersection coming up here. Railroad crossing. Look out for cars. Can you spell that without any R's? Hey, I thought I'd go with the super view. Shoot, I can get the whole cab in here. Look at that. Let's see if we can. Yeah, look at that. All right, there's the super view of the cab. Zipline tower is 105 foot tall. A lot of the cowboys are out riding this morning. Hey, girl. First gear. That was a Jeep tool. That sit buckle. Whoa. Now roll on back and sit the brake. Perfect. Now, all we need is the people to show up. Let's get the latch. All right. There, get that latch. Open her up, grab the ramp. All aboard! Oh, isn't that pretty? There's the town, there's the mountains. Folks, we usually don't get nice clouds like this. Yeah, you get tired of blue skies all the time. Hey, GoPro, no train movie would be complete without a shot of a full tip bucket. Yeah, I had to squash it down a couple of times just to make room for more.